So how do you feel like the industry 4.0 relates to, some of the industries that are getting hit hard and some of the industries that are booming right now?
A year ago, if I'd have mentioned Industry 4, they'd have been blank and they wouldn't want to enter the conversation. Now they're entering the conversation. So all of a sudden now they're saying, oh, hang on a minute. We've got the demographic bubble of the end of the boomer generation. There's less people in the workforce. These guys are leaving en masse. And technology is going to be the only thing we're going to fill the hole with because there aren't any people. So there are now these companies that wouldn't have even talked about it 3 or 4 years ago are interested. All of a sudden they're going, well, maybe a cloud-based platform that does CMS works now for us. Tragically, this pandemic, I think we may look back and see this as the trigger that accelerated Industry 4.
Yeah.
We've had periods, and if you look at the periods in the past, we came out of 2 world wars. 1918, we had automation boomed out of that world war. We came out of 1945 and we had transistors, solid state systems, computerizations, radar. There was technologies that were generated by global conflict. I think that the industry for connected technologies will be accelerated by this global pandemic.
Yeah. No, I definitely agree. I think that, difficult times like these are, like you mentioned, the catalyst for a lot of change in a positive way that comes out of something very negative, actually. So I'm hopeful. I'm glad that we kind of see that there is a positive at the end of this tunnel once we get there, which we will.